Hello guys, today we're gonna make a DIY card for Teacher's Day. So the things you have to prepare is glue stick, water glue, ruler, color pencils, pencil, eraser, scissor, and color paper, A4 white paper, stapler, and you may add some decoration like ribbon, mini love or flower. You may draw it on color paper. First, you may have some A4 sheets and flip it to two sides and stapler it. After that, you may take a piece of white A4 paper and cut it to size 1 per 2. And you can start to write a wish for your teachers.
And that's because I wanna be your favorite.
And take a piece of yellow paper size 2 multiply 4, write down the theme of Teacher's Day. Lastly, you can take all the decoration and the wishes, glue it to the main paper, the yellow one. And yeah, I got an idea to create this card by watching some videos on YouTube, how to make a simple DIY card.
But won't you wait? You know it's too late. I'm on my own shit now. But let me.
So this is the final result of the card. I am so happy to completing this card. Happy Teacher's Day!